Hello and welcome. Find a way of sitting that feels steady, whether that's a chair, a cushion, or the floor. Let your hands rest somewhere easy, palms open or resting on your knees. When you're ready, let your eyes close or let your gaze soften towards the floor in front of you. Take a moment to notice where your body meets what's holding it. The seat beneath you, the floor beneath your feet. There's nothing to fix here. Just notice you're held. And when it feels right, let your attention come to your breath. Not changing it, just noticing it, however it already is. Notice the air moving in and moving out. This breath arriving on its own without you having to ask for it. Today we're spending a little time with gratitude. Not gratitude as a list or a lesson to learn. Gratitude as something you can actually feel right here in the chest, the same place the breath moves through. See if you can let a person, a place, or a small moment come to mind. It doesn't have to be big. A cup of something warm this morning, a voice you like hearing, this breath right now. Let it arrive on its own. There's no wrong answer. Now, as you breathe in, let that gift arrive with the breath. And as you breathe out, let yourself offer something back. A little warmth, a little thanks. However that feels to you. Breathing in, receiving that gift. Breathing out, offering gratitude. Keep going at your own pace for a while. If one gift fades, let another take its place. Or stay with the same one as long as it wants to stay. Nothing here needs to be earned. If your mind wanders off to something else entirely, that's completely normal. Just notice where it went. And when you're ready, come back to the breath and to whatever you are grateful for right now. Let's stay here a little longer. Breathing in, receiving. Breathing out, offering thanks. Now, gently start to widen your attention again. Feel your seat, your feet, the room around you. Take one more breath in, a little deeper than the rest. And let it go slow and easy. Whenever you're ready, let your eyes open. See if you can carry a little of this with you. Not the whole feeling, just a trace of it into whatever's next. Thank you for your practice.